Hi, my name is Maureen. My title is Marketing Vendor Coordinator. I work in the mortgage industry, and I would give Slack a 5 out of 5. We haven't actually used a software product like this before. We were looking between Slack and Flock, which is a new product on the market. But my boss and a few other of my teammates who were going to be using Slack with me decided that Slack was actually easier to use and a little bit more intuitive with their programming and how it looked on the screen. So we ended up going with Slack just because of its ease of use. We were originally looking at Slack because I am now a remote worker. I used to work with a team in an office and I moved out of state. So we needed a way to be able to keep in touch while I'm working remotely and not have to bog down our email systems with multiple emails during the day. And Slack does exactly what we needed to do. Onboarding Slack was actually really easy on my end because I'm familiar with technology. It was pretty easy for everyone else on the team to get used to it. There was just a little learning curve because they've never used a system that communicated so quickly before. It was really interesting to see them discover all the different aspects of Slack and how they can integrate it into the system with sending files or just chatting in different channels to make sure that everyone's up to speed on different projects. So we thoroughly enjoy it, and the ramp up was pretty quick. If you're looking to see if Slack is right for your team or right for your business, you want to figure out what your goals are with how you're going to be using the product. Um, I use it to communicate with my team, to send files back and forth quickly, to collaborate in different channels on different subjects. So if you are using email to do that and that's fine with you, then it might not be for you. But if you're using a big team, if you're having a big team and you're trying to get everybody together on projects and you want to make sure everyone's up to speed, it's a great tool for that. It's also great for vendors. We actually have vendors that use Slack with us and they have their own channel and we communicate with them that way. It's definitely a tool where collaboration is the key. If you are looking just to have a system to house files, it might not be for you. But if you're looking for a system to make sure everyone's on the same page and collaborating and getting their files at the same time, then it's a really good tool in that respect. Plus, there are a lot of add-ons. You can add on other applications that you might already be using into Slack to make using it a little bit easier.